Take a deep breath in. Deep, deep breath into your nose. And exhale through your mouth. And just relax. Welcome. You're so welcome. This session is a recording of a live session we did together on the topic of seeing through the illusion, understanding more of this reality we are in. Hi, my name is Eve, Evelien in Dutch. So nice to meet you here. It's so wonderful when we come together to co-create a session live on Insight Timer. But it's also wonderful if you listen to it afterwards. There is no time, no space. We're all joining in the same consciousness, the same frequency. I'm on a journey of reconnecting to my higher consciousness and living more and more every day from that frequency, while navigating this beautiful and also sometimes quite messy human experience. Through meditations, courses and talks, I share what I learned to inspire your own journey. Because we are all divine beings, here in this earthly life to remember who we truly are. And this is not just me talking and you listening. It is pure co-creation. We are here together, and that's no coincidence. So, very, very welcome. We start with a check-in to really arrive in this space, to really arrive in our body and allow everything to come up. And then we dive into a short talk on this topic about this reality and the nature of it. And after that, we do the experiential part, a meditation in which we can release whatever is blocking us from perceiving the reality we would really want. So let's start. Let's start by really arriving here. So please sit comfortably in whatever way works for you. And I also would like to invite you to close your eyes for a moment. Then take a deep breath in. Deep, deep breath. In through your nose. And exhale through your mouth. And just relax. Relax your eyes. Relax your face. Soften your eyes. And again, take a deep breath in. Deep, deep breath. In through your nose. And as you exhale, relax all the muscles, the tiny, tiny muscles in and around your eyes. Let your eyes almost float in their sockets. And notice how all the muscles in your face begin to relax. Your eyebrows drift a little bit apart. Your cheeks loosen. Your jaw releases. And it's as if your whole face becomes more round. The mask can fall off in a way. You can relax, you are safe. And again, take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, Imagine that on the inner side of your face, while the outside remains the same, the inside begins to smile. It's like the corners of your mouth gently move toward your ears. Just visualize it. Imagine it. And as the corners of your mouth gently touch your ears, listen with your ears. What sounds do you hear around you? And can you hear the silence between the sounds? Can you feel the silence? And again, take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, bring this stillness down through your throat into your heart. Ask to open your heart. Ask to emanate love from your heart. And again, take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, bring the stillness, the softness, and the love down, even further into your lower belly. And again, take a deep breath in there, right there in your lower belly. And exhale. And as you keep breathing there, you really tell your body and your nervous system that it's safe to relax. And while you're here, take another deep breath in. Deep, deep breath. And as you exhale, just imagine that you are now sitting inside a ball of light. It's your own sacred space. It's about 5 or 6 feet all around you. 360 degrees all around you. It's your own sacred space. It's your energy field. This is you. This sacred space is only filled with your unique energy, your unique blueprint. And as you sit inside of it, just notice, how does it feel? What do you see, hear, feel? Does it feel clean and light? Free? Or maybe a little bit heavy, compressed, dim? Just observe. There is no right or wrong. Everything you perceive is correct. Does this ball of light around you feel a little bit cluttered, polluted maybe? Or is it spacious and clear? Just notice. And now imagine that this ball of light is your reality. It filters your reality. Outside of it lies a massive Wi-Fi field of information, so to speak. All possible wavelengths and frequencies you could choose from, and they all move around you. And yet, you get to choose which of these frequencies you use to construct your reality within your own energy field. We often don't know this. Life seems to happen to us, right? We have pleasant experiences and unpleasant ones. We feel good, and sometimes, or often, we don't. We experience contraction, confusion, as well as joy, expansion, and love. It's all there. And we often don't know what we are really here to do. We are kind of trapped in a human perspective, as if we were wearing a headset. And we receive beliefs, thoughts, fragments of information that aren't ours. Not from our true, authentic self. No, those belief systems and thoughts come from conditioning, from family systems, from our parents, and from trauma, lower frequencies, fear, passed down for thousands of years, generation after generation. And all that information is inside of us, shaping our filter, our lens, our headset, our energy field, through which we perceive our reality. And everything you perceive in your outer reality is really here to give you the triggers, to show you where you filter the reality in a way that is not in alignment with who you really are. And it might feel a little bit uncomfortable from time to time, but hey, we wouldn't have a look right if it would feel comfortable. So, now just imagine you're in that bubble, and this is your lens. This lens filters what you do and do not perceive, which 40 bits of information per second you pick up from the 11 million available every second. Can you imagine? 11 million bits per second are available for us to choose from, and we pick 40 to construct our reality. Which 40? Those we already know. Our brain simply constructs what it knows. So let me ask you now, what comes up for you when I ask you what is holding you back from experiencing the reality you would want to experience? What is blocking you from choosing 40 other bits of information per second than you already do? And just let it come up. Don't think about it too much. Whatever comes up is exactly right. And just take it along in this session. And now I'd like to share some thoughts with you. So please stay just seated with your eyes closed if you want to. Just let the words wash over you. And listen with your whole body. Listen with the cells of your body. Just enjoy. We are all living in a reality that feels so normal that we hardly ever stop to question what it actually is. We get so absorbed in daily life that we barely zoom out. We walk, talk, react, and we think this is the world, right? But what if? What if this is not the world, but only the way we experience it? And what if we could begin to perceive something different when we do zoom out? What if this is a field, an information field, a Wi-Fi field, and we are decoding it? What if the solid forms we see exist only in our minds and not outside of us? That's kind of wild. But you can only touch the table or your computer screen or your phone, because the vibration and frequency of that energy is lower than the frequency of your brain. Anything vibrating higher than your brain, we cannot perceive. Everything vibrating lower, we can hear, feel, touch, taste, or smell. Imagine that there are only information fields around you, and that you can communicate with it, connect with it. And what if your consciousness, which vibrates much, much higher than this physical body, took on this body in order to have a human experience? And to have this human experience, you need a brain as a decoder to perceive this reality. But if nothing is truly solid, it's only solid in our minds, solid because of all the beliefs we carry, then we can also loosen it, right? I'd love to take you through 4 key points. And there's so much more to say about this. It could almost be a new course. Actually, I'm uploading one right now. Once it's approved, off we go with this theme. It's a beautiful foundation for everything we do. And there's gold here. If we truly, truly understand this, we can do so much more than we currently think. All limitations can fall away. Okay. Key number 1. We see almost nothing. I already mentioned it. What we see, quote unquote, is a tiny fraction of what exists. Visible light is a fraction of a fraction. And yet, we base our entire worldview on it. When you realize you perceive only a very, very small slice, something else opens up. Curiosity, space, openness, and adventure. What is there more to discover? Key number 2. Everything is frequency. I also already mentioned this. What we experience as solid is slow and dense frequency. What you are is also frequency. Your body is a biological decoder. Your brain translates waveform information into image, sound, and touch. You are living in a holographic projection. And this means something important. What you perceive is not absolute reality. It is what you decode based on what you are used to, what you already have experienced, and what you have accepted as your truth. And that is what your perception currently is. But if that's your truth right now, you can also change it. And that's really, really delicious, because that opens the door. Key number 3. You are constantly emitting energy. Every thought you think carries a charge. Every emotion you feel has a speed. It's not just nothing, it's actual energy and frequency, and you are constantly sending information into the field. And the field reflects. What you believe is what you select from those 11 million bits of information per second. You choose only 40. And those 40 out of the 11 million possibilities you call your life. Can you imagine the potential that there is still there? And when you change it in you, you start to emit different frequencies into the field. And I'm constantly asking myself, what do I want to add to the human collective consciousness? Is that more fear, more anger, more sadness and disappointment, more worry? No, I want to change my vibration. I want to change my vibration. I want to change my energy. I want to release my blocks so I can start to emit different frequencies into the collective. And that's my gift to the collective human consciousness and also to me. It's one and the same. Because when I start to emit different energies and frequencies into the collective consciousness, into the field, I get back different reflections. And there is so much beauty in that. Life is not happening to me. No, it's only mirroring me where I can bring more love to the table. Key number 4. You indeed can change your energy. So how do we fully step into our power? How do we start to begin to play with this information? How do we choose different 40 bits of information out of those 11 million? I already mentioned it. We clear our limitations. We clear our perception. And it already begins with the image you hold of yourself. The image you hold of who you really are. If you believe you are only this human and life is just happening to you, then by definition you are inside a box that keeps you small and in a lower vibrational state. And if you want your consciousness to expand, your energy field to expand, and your frequency to rise, then all you have to do is to let go of what holds you back. And it sounds so very simple, but yet so much is hidden in the subconscious mind. So how do we get there? How do we change our perception? How do we release our blocks? Well, let me ask you now. Let's start right here, right now. What thoughts and emotions are arising within you right now? When you hear all of this, when you feel the information and the energy coming to you through this audio, what is happening in your body? Can you feel it? Can you feel what comes up? Maybe it's excitement, joy, adventure, but it can also be sadness, irritation. Yeah, also grief about all those years we did not know this. Confusion maybe, how to go about this. Those emotions are pointing you at blocks, bubbles within our cells, within our physical body, within our emotional field, within our mental field. And by clearing those blocks within us, and your emotional system is guiding you towards them, by clearing the blocks, the emotional blocks, the limiting thoughts, and also the frozen energy in the body, we release lower vibrations and we start to widen our perspective. Our frequency rises, our energy field expands. And as our energy field expands, we can allow in more information. Makes sense, right? As you expand and become bigger, Your container is bigger, so you can bring in more information. And from there you can start to choose differently. Different 40 out of the 11 million bits of information. You are an energy field. And the more spacious you become, the freer, more powerful, and more authentic you can be. So, what's there to do? Exactly. Clear the blocks. Those blocks, those bubbles, are distortions in your lens. And every trigger shows you, there's still a filter here. And when you clear that filter, then what you can perceive changes. And that's the funny thing. It's not because the outside world is changing. There is no out there. It's all in your mind. But what you perceive changes because you choose, consciously and mostly unconsciously, different 40 bits out of the 11 million. And this is real freedom, because you are not depending any longer on any outside circumstances, because you can change it in you. And when you change your filter, the whole outside world changes with you. And there is a little side note, because it might come up in you as well. What about everything happening in the world right now? Is that not real then? I'd like to add a little thing. Because we have an individual perception and creation, and there is also a collective creation. Our individual brain is linked to the collective brain. The collective brain of the planet, the collective brain of human collective consciousness. So yes, what happens in the collective exists, but the degree to which it affects you is connected to how you perceive your reality. It's connected to your blocks. If something in politics, for example, triggers you, it points to something in you that wants to be seen and released. If something in the outside world, in the news, in the street, in the store, in the shop, on television, whatever, triggers you, it points to something in you that wants to be seen and released. Your higher consciousness is using every trigger it can to help you step into your own true power, to discover your true self through your human experience and through everything that the collective consciousness of humanity is going through. Because in the midst of that storm, you can find your center. You can find your true creative power, your alignment, and your connection to Source. And by releasing every block you have, step by step, day by day, you come more and more into that alignment, into that connection, into your creative power. And from there you start to see through the human illusion, through the human experience. And you start to create a whole new reality on a completely new level. And to me it feels like that is what we're here for. And so that is what we're doing in every session, in every meditation. Releasing the blocks, the beliefs, the programs that don't serve us any longer, that don't serve the collective. Whatever happens out there, happens out there. But if we can use it for the good, we transform it in the collective consciousness. And that is the biggest gift you can give yourself and humanity. So, thank you for being here and doing this work together. And let's start with it right now. So let's take the beliefs, the programs, the blocks that are already surfacing now within us. And then I'd like to ask you again to sit up straight with your feet flat on the floor. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Deep, deep breath into your nose. And exhale through your mouth. And just relax. At your own pace. Take a deep breath in. Deep, deep breath into the nose. And exhale through your mouth. Just let go of any physical fatigue, any tension. Relax your thoughts. Relax your mind. Ask to quiet your mind. Ask to feel alert, focused, and clear. And again, take a deep breath in. Deep, deep breath. And as you exhale, quiet your mind. Quiet your thoughts. Shh. No thoughts. And one last time, take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, relax some more. Focus on your heart and say from your heart, I ask and intend to create a sacred space, my own bubble of light all around me, my own energy field. And I now ask, intend, and choose to only allow the energy of my own higher self and the energy of Source to be present here with me. All other energies that are not aligned with this energy and with my highest good now leave my sacred space. I choose to ban them from this sacred space. I ask and intend to raise my vibration and to merge with my own higher self. I ask to be guided in this exercise, in this meditation from that perspective. And my intent is to clearly discern how I perceive reality right now. What else is possible for me? And I ask to clear my perception so I can raise my frequency and start to perceive a new reality that is aligned with who I really am and with my highest purpose. I now ask for clear, pure, and truthful guidance only from this alignment. And so it is. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, focus on your energy field all around you. And ask your higher consciousness to give you a sense a feeling, an image of how your energy field looks like right now. And just observe from a distance how clear, open, or wide is your field. Or is it somewhere cluttered, dense, filled with lower frequencies? Does it feel dense, contracted, or expanded? And just feel it in your body. Trust whatever comes to you right now. How contracted or how expanded is your energy field right now? Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, ask your higher consciousness to now give you a sense of what else is possible for you. Ask to feel how expanded you can be. How does that feel? The more expanded you are, the more information can come in, and the more choice you have, so to speak, to choose a different reality, to choose different bits of information in every moment. Information that constructs the reality that you perceive. So take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, stay focused on your heart and ask your higher consciousness, which communicates through your heart, to bring up the biggest block that is ready to be released right now, that prevents you from expanding your awareness and choose deliberately for the other bits of information. Ask to bring up the biggest block that keeps you stuck in the old patterns, in the old perceptions. From your heart, whatever comes up, just feel. Might be a feeling, an emotion, or maybe you get a thought. And address it, whatever comes up. Say in your heart, I ask and intend to release my deep, deep feeling of sadness, of confusion, of despair, anger maybe, whatever comes up for you. You don't have to know exactly what it is, just mention the emotion or mention the thoughts that come up. For example, I ask and intend to release my deep, deep feeling of feeling so stuck in this physical reality and this life, not knowing where to begin. I ask and intend to release all of my doubt, my fear of really, really stepping into my creative abilities, having the responsibility to create a reality from love. And I simply don't know how to do that. I ask to let go of my fear that I have to do this all by myself in a collective reality that seems so, so far away from this concept. I ask and intend to release my fear of really being, stepping into my true divine essence in this human form. I ask and intend to let go of my fear that I don't belong anymore in the moment that I truly, truly step into my real power. I ask and intend to release my deep subconscious fear of being not really human anymore and being so uncertain on how this works. I ask and intend to release all of these fears, all of these beliefs, and all of these emotions from every cell in my body, from my conscious, subconscious, and cellular memory. And so it is. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, just blow out. Visualize particles of energy leaving your body, leaving your energy field. And just feel how you're feeling right now. And again, take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, visualize, imagine, intend that you bring in a new energy, a new frequency. Just visualize purple, deep, deep purple and golden light. This is the energy of support, of being loved, and the energy of remembrance. Remembrance of who you really are. A pure divine energy. In this energy, all the limitations simply dissolve. all the lower frequencies simply dissolve. And all of our limiting perceptions are cleared in this energy. Just allow this deep purple and golden light to surround you, to fill your energy field, the bubble of light all around you. And just visualize, imagine that this energy is clearing your energy field. And this bubble is kind of a window through which you perceive your outer reality. This purple, deep purple and golden light is source energy with a very high vibration. It's like steam. And it's so powerful. It's clearing and cleansing every cell of your energy field. Just dissolving all the lower frequencies. This energy clears all the perceptions that block you from perceiving a reality that you really want and choose, and that is aligned with your highest good, with your highest purpose. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, bring this purple and golden light in through the top of your head. This energy is surrounding you, holding you, clearing your energy field. And as it enters, your head is clearing every cell in your brain. Clearing and cleansing every cell in your mind, in your head. Dissolving all the fog, all the density, all the lower frequencies. And say from your heart, I now ask and intend to clear all the blocks in my brain and in my energy field, in every cell of my body. I ask and intend to clear the blocks in my perception and my awareness, so I can start to see clearly now and open up to my full creative potential. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, imagine this energy clearing and cleansing even more. Deep purple and golden light filling your brain, clearing your neural pathways. It's filling your skull, your brain stem, all the way down through your spine, filling up your entire nervous system, all throughout your body. Allow this energy to fill your face, your throat, your neck, your shoulders, your arms, and your hands. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, bring this light even further down through your heart center and your upper back. Let it fill your diaphragm, your stomach, your entire intestinal tract. It fills your spine even more, flowing down all the way to your lower back, your pelvis, your hips. It fills your thighs, your knees, your lower legs, your ankles, and your feet. This energy continues to flow, cleansing your cells, cleansing your energy field. And let this energy come out through the bottom of your feet, anchoring you deeply into the earth. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine this light continuing to flow. And each cell keeps absorbing this pure and clean and clear source energy. Bring your focus to your heart and say from there, I am divine. I am source in this physical form. I am unconditional love. I am this energy, and I now open myself to remember more of who I truly am, where I come from, and what I am here to do, really. I open myself to my full potential, to perceive my reality as I choose it, in complete alignment with my true divine essence. I now ask and intend to be, embody, and bring this energy in every moment of the day. And so it is. Take a deep breath in and exhale. And stay in the energy for as long as you can. And whenever you're ready, slowly, slowly open your eyes.